Welcome to my garden. My name is Miki. I was born and raised in Tokyo, but 3 years ago I started a new life, surrounded by flowers. I grow roses and a variety of crops. So I love to decorate the house with flowers from my garden. So today I will arrange Hydrangea with 3 different types of a water bowl. I can't make complex design. Anyway, let's have fun. Before making, pick flowers from the garden. In Japan, hydrangeas start blooming from June to July. Looks so pretty. I don't know the name. This grows naturally. If you know, please tell me. This grows naturally too. Almost people hate this smell, but good for anti-aging. Put a piece of paper to protect the water bowl from squashing by Kenzan. Kenzan is a tool that stabilizes the flower stems inside the base. Strip leaves. Cut stems at an angle. Place the hydrangeas into a Kenzan. Put some pine at the edge of a water bowl. Add fish mint. Pour water into the base. Spray water. Sweets are placed in the center. And put ice. It's tea time. I feel like staying at cafe. Choose Annabelle Hydrangea. Stemona japonica, which grows naturally. And blue marbles. Begin with marbles. This is my favorite goldfish, made by Naoko Matsuda. Fill a bowl with a lot of water. Strip leaves that fall below water line. And then cut stems at an angle. Crisscross the stem. Add Stemona japonica. Make a round shape. I can't keep a real goldfish, but I can enjoy this anytime. This is the final idea. Pour a lot of water. Cut the bunch. See the riverside, easy to cut. Float on water. Finally, add floating candles. I like twilight and drinking after work in the garden. And this is so precious time that I feel my life worth living. I hope you could feel refreshed in the middle of rainy season to watch my live stream. Thank you for watching. See you next video.